we go to the relevance of the suffering and death of Jesus Christ. How is it relevant? What does it teach us as Christians? What should we do? Tell me what it teaches you. When Jesus suffered, how he suffered on the cross and dying. As a Christian, what do you learn? Yes, what should you do as a Christian? Yes?
We should suffer for God's will.
Yes, very good. Yes, as a Christian, what else should you do? You should learn something from that. Yes? We should always pray at all times, right? We should always pray in times of pain and trials and temptations. We should also, as Christians, even if you are rejected, remember he was rejected by who? Peter. Yes, we should not give up even if, yes? Yes, very good. We should always trust in God. We should always trust in God. We should not give up when rejected. Yes. We should be willing, as he said, to suffer for Christ, for the sake of Christ. We should accept suffering. We should fight for what is right, what is just. We should fight for what is just. We should not be afraid to be rejected. And people here are scared of being rejected. If all your friends are not talking to you, you are scared. All of a sudden you feel weak. And all of a sudden you say, I'm sick. And you're not sick. It's only because they're not talking to you. That should not, when you grow up, now you're young, that you won't even mind. Because they let them. With time, they're going to see that you're doing the right thing. If you're here studying and working hard, they'll see you're doing the right thing. Also, as Christians, we should be encouraged because Jesus suffered for our sake.